Hey everyone, Great Wall of the Train's doing for you. Here we go. Crossing activated. Again. Let's hear it again. Yeah, K5HL. I'll take it. Let's go! Nice! I'll take this. Nice! It's like the manifest. Nice. That is something carries something. That's a pretty loud K5. Wonder if that was a K5 HL something generation. Please let me know what train, what generation that was down below. But I'm pretty sure that's a K5 because of the way it sounded. HL definitely probably one of those ones. But nice. Nice unexpected little surprise. One single auto rack so far. Nice. Interesting graffiti, okay. Nice. Just following that graffiti. Quite a few boxcars. And we got a few tankers. Quite a lot of tankers on this trade. Oh, blue boxcar. Red one right behind it. Nice. Blue and red, nice. Nice. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.